scenery. Train in Russia, my voice is shot from the World Cup games. Because apparently I'm the best fan. This is crazy. It's not a fast train. It's interesting. They have a bar, a little restaurant, has an extensive menu. I hated being in the cart with 4 people piled up on top of each other. This is just where all the staff is. And I don't know if that's a restaurant or first class, but it's cool. I can see the scenery. There's no windows in it. Bedroom, terra room or whatever. Straight out of a hostel or something. This is like really interesting for me, the scenery. I've got my soup that was recommended through Google Translate. See my voice. Tea. I am 10 rubles short. Waiting for my dad to bail me out. He doesn't believe I'll be able to take cash, but look at this kind of place. We do have a card reader though. It's really just interesting. I think that's like maybe first. It's maybe just the restaurant. I don't know. It's just really interesting. The scenery is interesting. I think they're a little freaked out that I'm filming. Like they probably think this is boring. But I've never seen this before. Well, train isn't too slow or fast, I would say. It's going about maybe 80 miles an hour. One on a high-speed one that was like an airplane more. It's interesting to see the non-touristy areas of Russia. So it's like gas canisters for like miles. Gas canisters on the train. And I don't know how long we'll see stuff, but for right now it's pretty interesting if there's towns and stuff like that. I don't want to see just like woods or whatever. I don't even know the size of these places. So I think we're going about maybe 70 miles an hour. Now that I see that car driving. Who knows? It's not the type of train that they show you the speed. And I'm having a blast. This was a great trip. I was so uncomfortable at first. God, I wish I had my voice. Alright. I think that's good. I'm out.